How to screenshot in your Windows 11 to capture your screen. There are so many ways to take a screenshot in Windows 11, and today I'm going to show you how to do them all. If you've used Windows 10, many of those screenshot methods may sound familiar to you since they all are basically the same in Windows 11. So if you haven't started using Windows 11 yet, you can still practice these tips on your Windows 10 machine. Okay, so first of all, let's get to know the print screen button. Normally, you'll find it right here next to the home button, but depending on your keyboard, it might say that print screen or PRTSCN. On my PC here, just pressing it looks like nothing happens. That's because print screen by itself saves a picture of your whole desktop to the clipboard. If I open a program like Paint or Word, I can paste the image into my document and edit to my heart's delight. That's fine if you want to use this image right away, but what if you want to save it for later instead? Let's try the Windows button plus print screen. The screen will ding for a second to let you know a screenshot was taken, but you have to go to the Pictures folder, then Screenshots to see the saved file. To take a screenshot of just the active window and not the entire desktop, press Alt plus print screen. This will also copy the image to the clipboard, which you can then paste into another program to edit. Okay, now if the Windows key saves the image and Alt takes the picture of just the active window, this says that the screenshot was saved, but then wants us to hit Windows plus G to open the Xbox game bar. We can click the button here to see where it lives on our drive, and here it is in the Videos folder under Captures rather than Pictures. I can also press the Windows plus G again to hide the game bar controls. I think that's about 5 different ways to capture your screen so far. Let's take a look at a couple of more built-in apps that give you a lot more control over what you're capturing. We'll start with the Snipping Tool, which you can find it by searching for it. When it opens, the first thing you'll see is there is another tool called Snip and Sketch. Here under the Mode tab, there are 4 different options: Full Screen Snip and Windows Snip. Plus, we have our rectangular snip as well, allowing you to just select a section of your screen and freeform snip for those who hate right angles and would prefer to freehand your selection. You can also choose a delay if you need to position something on your screen like a menu. From here, you can mark up your image using a pen tool or a highlighter. Windows plus Shift plus S. These icons are the same as the ones in the Snipping Tool: rectangular, freeform, window, and full screen. As we can see here, there is the handy shortcut is the easiest way to get the tool. Windows plus Shift plus S. These icons are the same as the ones in the Snipping Tool: rectangular, freeform, window, and full screen. This notification comes up to let you know that it's been copied to your clipboard, and you can click here to share and mock up the image. Snip and Sketch offers more robust mock-up tools and more options for sharing after you've finished editing. To start over and grab something else, just start New to get back to your mode options, or press X to close the app and get on with your life. So that's at least 7 different ways to take a screenshot of Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.